Hey everybody, it's I Want to Be Retro. Today we're going to take a look at installing GroupOffice, a collaboration suite, on Linux. To get started, launch the terminal and run sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade to install any available software updates. Next, we'll add the GroupOffice GPG key and apt repository. Then run sudo apt update again to pull in the software packages from the new repository. Now we can run sudo apt install GroupOffice to install the application. When prompted, press enter to select yes, then enter and confirm a MySQL password for GroupOffice. Once the installation completes, open a web browser and navigate to the DNS or IP address of the host /GroupOffice. Click the Continue button at the thank you screen, then continue again at the System Requirements page. Complete the form to create an administrator account, then click the Install button. Once the install completes, click Continue. Log in using the credentials you just created. If prompted, enter and confirm a new password for the admin account. Welcome to GroupOffice, running on your Linux device.